Hello and welcome back to another video. I hope you're having an amazing evening because today I'm having an amazing evening. I just went out in the late evening. All the way around you can see it's a bit dark. So I'm just going to have a walk in the darkness. So, how's your everything is going on, by the way? I hope you are doing well. And thank you for subscribing to my channel and smashing the like buttons because it really motivates me. So I'm going to take you to the darkness here. Let's just have a walk a bit in here. There we have a forest all the way around. Yeah, it's look very dark in there. Phew. We have a moon. Let me try to zoom it a bit. So, I just went out to have a fresh air and to enjoy because I used to walk around here. Let's go to the forest. Be careful. Watch your steps. So guys, I hope you're able to see me, but I can't see because it's dangerous here. Okay, I will stop somewhere now. You see the holes here? These kind of holes. I don't know what's inside there. Looks. It's a bit scary to walk alone. Oh. Scary, scary. Oh, okay, I will stop here. So, yeah, it's very scary here. Oh, yeah. Look at this tree. It seems like something is there. Is there anything? Yeah, so guys, I just wanted to have a walk outside, but it seems very scary and dangerous. I don't know. Oh, did you hear that? You can hear also? It's somewhere from there it's coming. Ooh. Let's have a look. You can see there?